that. Never. There's never a time, ever. I never drive this car and say, wish it was faster. Everyone sleeps on the Boxster, and dude, you can get this experience for 1/3 the price of a GT3 RS. Fuck. God, this thing revs so nice. Tires are cold. PSM's off. Woo! Pressed. God damn. Oh no, there's a truck. And look, like, and not only that, you want to buy a car that you can use. Like, there's no sense in buying a 3RS, a Turbo S or whatever, and you're worried about depreciation. You're worried about it costing too much money. You're worried about a nick on the paint. You're worried about whatever. Like, if you can't afford to wreck it or lose it or buy two of them, then that car was too expensive for you. And look, like, if your MO here is to show up in Miami and stunt in front of a restaurant and like impress your friends, like, this video isn't for you. We are two different people. Porsche has become a style brand now. There's a lot of celebrity endorsements and yada yada, and whatever, it's fine. You know, Porsche is a business to make money, who cares? But like, if you're about that OG,
who's your daddy?
Driver experience, get a Boxster Spider. Like, you get this, these seats alone are probably worth 1/3 the price of the car. They're like 20 grand. You know, I almost thought about buying a Boxster Spider for the seats, taking the seats out, selling them, and putting in normal seat. Like, literally, it's insane. You know, you get the door pulls, the steering wheel, everything. You get that GT3 RS flair at like 1/3 the cost. I mean, if this isn't a driver's car, I really don't know what is. And what's nice, again, is that the convertible, it gives you that wind. And so it gives you that sensation of speed without having to go insane speeds. Like, if you're in a windows up GT3 RS, like, the only way that you're gonna perceive all that speed is to be going very fast. Whereas, like, you know, it's kind of like when you're on a boat, you know, like 40 miles per hour on a boat, it feels like you're like on like an F-35. But 45 miles an hour on a car, it doesn't really feel that fast. And so it's having that sensation of like wind and speed. Go get yourself, you know, also, if you want to buy a 3RS to collect a 911 ST, no one is having more fun in their ST than I am right now. No one. fun. Blinded. Let's see if that Corvette bit. Not that I'm here to fucking race anyone, because I don't care. Like, people say that I have an ego or whatever, and like, I don't. I'm here for myself. That's it. I'm here for the fun, man. I don't go to Cars and Coffee. I just want the most raw experience. I want to have fun. And I drove a 997.2 RS, and like, it was a cool car, but it's just not as much fun as this. You know, I hate to say it. I don't mind. Alright guys, it's going to kind of conclude our video for today. Again, you can spend $300,000 on a 997 GT3 RS, or you can spend 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 for a really clean example on a 2011 987.2 Boxster Spider. Make sure you get the 6-speed manual, the bucket seats, get the right spec. I recommend waiting for the right spec so you don't have to have any regret. And dude, just use the thing every day. I mean, I got 31,000 miles in this thing. The miles don't matter anymore. This isn't a collector car. I'm here to have fun. If you want to have fun out there, buy one of these. I think I'm just setting to a nasty little blueberry waffle. Anyways, the brakes are great. I mean, I put a Cup Car suspension on this thing, and I'm out here having more fun than any of these guys out there. And not only that, I'm a lot faster. So it's not about the car you buy always, it's about the driver. And this thing, you're reliant on yourself. Like, there's no aids. Additionally, you know, you can go and turn PSM off to get some slides, and yeah, you know, it's just a really fun car. I think our buddy out here with the touring is over here. Let me see if he's there. I think we just waved to him. Look at that, he's right there. You see him right there? There he is. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I couldn't recommend these enough. They're so much fun. That little Miata is gonna chase that touring and probably go faster than him. So, you know, this is America. Allegedly, I see we're filming in Mexico right now. Buy whatever car you want, whatever brings you the most joy. I'm not gonna stop you. Just, if you're out here to have fun, get the most fun car. And for me, that's the 2011, 2012 Boxer Spider. All right, guys, we'll see you next time.